Hello students, our second chapter is over now. We have to see the exercise of second chapter and total how many MCQs are there. Total you can see 17 numbers of MCQ you have to learn. How many MCQs? 17. First MCQ. The elements are organized as a page of book or piles of cards in which of the following forms. The elements are organized, which means what? All elements are organized in a form of pages of a book. કેવી રીતે ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ થયા? Pages of a book. It means sequence. Piles of card in which of the following forms. So you first of all you have to see the table of this authoring tool type. First of all, what do you mean by authoring tool? If you want to use text, audio, video, graphics, animation, all multimedia elements, if you want to use, then you have to use one type of a software for it, and it is known as authoring tool. Clear? Multimedia authoring tool. Now authoring tools, it divided into how many parts? 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. First is card or page based tool. First is card or page based tools. Card or page based tools means what? All elements are organized in a form of cards. It means sequence. Clear? Second is icon based authoring tool. Second is icon based authoring tools. It means flowchart. Clear? And third is time based authoring tool. Third is time based authoring tool. You have to keep in mind all these 3 type. How many type? 3 type. You have to remember it. Card based tool, icon based tool, and time based tool. Clear? Card based means what? Sequence. Card based means what? Sequence. Icon means what? Flowchart. Icon based tools, it means what? Flowchart. And time based tools, it means Synfig Studio. Time based tools તો યાદ રહેવું જ જોઈએ. Time based tools means what? Synfig Studio. Now you have to remember the example of it. You have to remember example for authoring tools. Clear? All these software are based on animation. All these example are based on animation. Clear? આ બધા જ સોફ્ટવેર છે ને એનિમેશનના છે બધા. And all this software is based on 2D animation. 2D animation. Animation has 2 types. How many types? 2 types. First is 2D and second is 3D. 2D means X and Y, and 3D means what? X, Y and Z. Clear? So all these software are belong to animation, that is 2D animation. Clear? 2D animation. So first, card based tool. Example of card based tool are hypercard, card. Can you see the combination? Card based tools means hypercard or multimedia toolbox. Card based tools means hypercard and multimedia toolbox. Clear? Card based tools માં કયું આવે? Hypercard and multimedia toolbox. Second is icon based authoring tool. Second is icon based authoring tool. Icon based authoring tool. Example of icon based authoring tools are authorware and icon author. Authorware and icon author. The combination of word icon. Clear? Icon based authoring tools માં આવે authorware and icon author. And third is time based tool. Time based tool means our second chapter name, Synfig Studio. Pencil, Flash. Clear? Synfig Studio, Pencil and Flash. You have to keep in mind this table. You have to remember this table. 3 types and example of related it type. Clear? So your first MCQ, can you tell me the elements are organized in which form? Pages of book. Pages of book means card or page based tools. Page means what? આ બુક પેજ આવે ને, બુકના જે પેજ આવે ને તે રીતે એલિમેન્ટ્સ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ થાય. So your answer in first MCQ answer is card or page based tool. Clear? આ ટેબલ યાદ રાખશો તો બધા MCQ આવડશે. First answer card or page based tool. First MCQ answer is A. Second, which of the following tool helps in changing the color of the object. If you want to change the color of object it means what? Object means what? It may be anything: square, circle, rectangle. Clear? It may be anything. Star, it is known as object. If you want to change the color of your square, color of your circle, color of your rectangle, then which tool you can use? If you want to change the color, then which tool you can use? First is draw. Draw is used to draw any object. Circle is used to draw circle. B, fill. Fill means what? Fill is used to change the color. Fill is used to change the color of object. And rectangle means it is used to draw rectangle tool. Clear? So your answer is B. In second MCQ your answer is B. Fill tool is useful. Fill tool is we are using fill tool for changing the color of the object. Clear? Which tool? Fill tool. Fill tool is used to change the color of the object. Third, Synfig Studio represent which of the following type of authoring tool? Synfig Studio represent which of the following type of authoring tools means what? Synfig Studio કોનું example છે? authoring tool ના ત્રણ type છે. Authoring tools have how many type? Authoring tools have 3 type. First is card based tool, second is icon based tool, and third is time based tool. तो Synfig Studio શેમાં આવે? Synfig Studio, can you see the example? Synfig Studio is in time based tool. Most important, Synfig Studio represent time based authoring tool. Clear? It means what? A Synfig Studio કોનું example છે? Time based authoring tool, event based authoring tool, page based authoring tool અને icon based authoring tool. Authoring tool ના 3 type છે. કેટલા type? 3 type. First is page, second is icon or event, both are same. Icon and event both are same. Can you see? Icon and event. Clear? And third is time based tool. So Synfig Studio is considered as a time based authoring tool. So third in MCQ number 3 answer is A, time based authoring tool. Fourth, which of the following term represent the number of palettes a toolbox window separated into? It means what? Toolbox window છે, Synfig Studio છે, Synfig Studio GUI. Synfig Studio GUI. GUI means what? Graphical user interface. GUI means what? Graphical user interface. Clear? G stands for graphical, U stands for user, and I stands for interface. It is known as GUI of Synfig Studio. Can you see it? GUI of Synfig Studio. Synfig Studio GUI is divided into 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. First part is toolbox. Can you see the toolbox? It is known as toolbox. Second part is canvas. Second part is canvas. Can you see just rectangle box? It is known as canvas. And third part is panel. Can you see panel? Third is panel. Clear? Synfig Studio screen is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. First is toolbox, second is canvas, and third is panel. First is toolbox. Keep in mind, first is toolbox, second is canvas, and third is panel. Synfig Studio GUI. Can you see the GUI of Synfig Studio? It is known as GUI of Synfig Studio. That is graphical user interface. Is divided into 3 parts. First is toolbox, second is canvas, and third is panel. Clear? Now read your MCQ. Fourth, which of the following term represent the number of palettes a toolbox window separated into? It means what? Toolbox window કેટલા પાર્ટ્સમાં ડિવાઇડ થઈ? Synfig Studio પોતે 3 પાર્ટ્સમાં ડિવાઇડ થયું. ટૂલબોક્સ, કેનવાસ ને પેનલ. એ Synfig Studio નો એક પાર્ટ ટૂલબોક્સ છે, તે પોતે કેટલા પાર્ટ્સમાં ડિવાઇડ થાય? તો ટૂલબોક્સ is also divided into 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. First is upper palette. First is upper palette. First is upper palette. Sorry. Upper palettes. Can you see upper palette? All the tools are considered as a upper palette. આ બધા ટૂલ જે છે ને તે upper palette માં આવે. Clear? second is middle palette. Second is middle palette. Can you see the color, background color and foreground color? It is considered as a middle palette. It is considered as a middle palette. All tools are available in upper palette. All background foreground color is are available in middle palette. And can you see the layers is considered as a lower palette? Clear? So your toolbox window is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. First, second and third. Upper, middle and lower. Upper, middle and lower. I am telling you again. First of all, your Synfig Studio whole screen is known as GUI. Your Synfig Studio whole screen is known as GUI. Keep in mind, GUI. Clear? Graphical User Interface. Now, your GUI of Synfig Studio is divided into 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Synfig Studio પોતે આખી main screen 3 parts માં divide થાય. First is toolbox, second is canvas and third is panel. Clear? Keep in mind. I am telling you again and again. Keep in mind, Synfig Studio is divided into 3 parts: toolbox, canvas and panel. Now toolbox is also divided into 3 parts. Synfig Studio ના 3 પાર્ટ્સ છે: ટૂલબોક્સ, કેનવાસ, પેનલ. હવે ટૂલબોક્સ એક પોતે 3 પાર્ટ્સમાં ડિવાઈડ થાય. કેટલા પાર્ટ્સમાં? 3 પાર્ટ્સમાં. ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ અપર પાર્ટ, સેકન્ડ ઇઝ મિડલ પાર્ટ એન્ડ થર્ડ ઇઝ લોઅર પાર્ટ. Upper, middle, lower. So your read your MCQ and give me your answer. Which of the following term represent the number of palettes? Number of palettes એટલે upper palette, middle palette and lower palette. Clear? આને કહેવાય palette. Upper palette, middle palette and lower palette. So which of the following term represent the number of palettes a toolbox window separated into? મતલબ toolbox window કેટલી palettes માં divide થાય? કેટલી palettes? 1, 2 and 3. So your answer is 3. Your answer is 3. Fourth, MCQ number 4, your answer is 3. B, 3. Fifth, which of the following is the file extension of a file created in Synfig Studio? Now tell me the extension of a Synfig Studio file. Extension of a Synfig Studio file is sifz.sifz. Number 5th, MCQ number 5th, your answer is B, .sifz. Can you see dot? It is known as extension. If you want to write any extension of any file, then you have to compulsory write dot and then write small alphabet. You can write your extension by using dot, and you have to write extension in SIFZ. Clear? In SIFZ letters. SIFZ. It is known as extension, and a .sifz, it is the extension of Synfig Studio. So your answer is B. Number 6. Which of the following panel shows the currently selected layer parameter? Which of the following panel shows the currently selected layer parameter? Now you have to see again GUI of the Synfig Studio. GUI of Synfig Studio is divided into 3 parts: toolbox, canvas and panel. Toolbox is also divided into 3 parts: upper palette, middle palette, lower palette. Canvas means what? Whatever work you want to do, whatever picture you want to draw, you can draw in this portion. It is known as canvas. And third is panel. Now you have already known about panels. Do you know about panels? It is known as panel. Can you see panels? There are 5 types of panel available in your panels pen. આ પેનલ્સમાં કેટલી આ પેનલ જે તમને દેખાય આ વિન્ડો પેનલની તેમાં ટોટલ કેટલી પેનલ છે? 5 પેનલ. કેટલી પેનલ છે? 5 પેનલ. ફર્સ્ટ પેનલ ઇઝ લેયર પેનલ. First panel, that is layer panel. A layer panel અહીંયા આવે, layer panel. Second panel is parameter panel, જે અહીંયા આવે આ બાજુ. Third panel, that is tool option panel. આ tool option panel છે. Fourth is navigator panel. એ navigator panel અહીંયા આવે. And fifth is history panel. એ history panel અહીંયા આવે. બરાબર? આપણે જોયું જ છે પ્રેક્ટિકલમાં. Clear? So tell me, number 6 MCQ, which panel shows the currently selected layer parameter? Currently selected layer parameter. First panel, it displays the layer of working canvas. Layer panel displays the working layers of working canvas. Parameter panel, parameter is also known as param panel. It shows the currently selected layer parameter. Which panel shows the currently selected layer parameter? Parameter આવે એટલે params આવે, યાદ રાખવાનું. પેરામીટર આવ્યું એટલે પેરામ પેનલ આવે. તો વાંચો, which panel shows the currently selected parameter selected layer parameters? તો પેરામીટરમાં શું આવે? params. Clear? MCQ number 6, your answer is B. Your answer is B, params panel. Clear? Number 7, which of the following represent the color of the duck used to change the radius of a circle? If you want to draw circle, then you can do it by using circle layer. Which object? By using circle object. Now I am creating my circle layer. Now you already know about the duck. DUCK. Duck means what? A small circle દેખાય એને duck કહેવાય. Clear? There are two types of duck are available in your circle layer. Circle layer માં કેટલા ducks આવે? 2. કેટલા આવે? 2 આવે. બરાબર? એક આ duck દેખાય, આને કહેવાય center. શું કહેવાય? center. અને આને કહેવાય radius. શું કહેવાય? radius. આને કહેવાય center, આને કહેવાય radius. Center means what? If you want to move your object from one side to another, then you have to use center. તમારે તમારા સર્કલને એક પ્લેસ પરથી બીજા પ્લેસ પર લઈ જવો હોય તો સેન્ટરનો યુઝ થાય. કોનો યુઝ થાય? સેન્ટરનો યુઝ થાય. If you want to increase or decrease your circle size, then you have to use radius. If you want to increase or decrease your circle, then you have to use this radius. Clear? So there are two types of duck. First duck is used for center and second duck is used for radius. Clear? Center માટે use થાય green color. કયો color? Green color. And radius માટે use થાય blue color. Radius માટે use થાય blue color. Clear? Read your MCQ and give me answer. Which of the following represent the color of a duck used to change? Color of a duck used to change the radius of a circle. Radius means a radius kevai. Radius, work of radius is, if you want to increase or decrease your circle, then you have to use radius. So radius માં કયો color use થયો? Blue. કયો છે? Blue. So your answer is blue. Clear? Your answer is blue. Blue is used for radius. Blue is used for radius and green is used for center. Green is used for center and blue is used for radius. Clear? Center no use શું છે? If you want to move your object from one side to another, then you have to use center. If you want to increase or decrease your object, then you have to use radius. Number 8. Number 8. Which of the following tool is used to make object with any number of points and curve? If you want to draw circle, then you have to use circle tool. If you want to draw rectangle, then you have to use rectangle tool. If you want to draw star, then you have to use star tool. If you want to draw star, then you have to use star tool. Now read your MCQ and give me your answer. Which of the following tool is used to make object? कोई भी object it means what? It may be anything. It may be circle, star, rectangle, it may be human, it may be a place, it may be a thing, it may be anything. Clear? It is known as object. તમારે કંઈ પણ વસ્તુ બનાવી છે with any number of point. For example, ગમે તેટલા points લો and curves, ગમે તેટલા curves નો use કરો. તો એ ટૂલને કયું ટૂલ કહેવાય? B line tool. કયું ટૂલ કહેવાય? B line tool. Keep in mind, B line tool. Read your notes. B-line tool, it is used to make objects with any number of points and curves. Clear? It is known as B-line tool. So your answer is A, B-line. Number 9. Which of the following tool is used to create smooth transition between two or more colors in object? If you want to fill more than two color, more than one color, then which object you have to use? કીપ ઇન માઇન્ડ ગ્રેડિયન્ટ ટૂલ. વિચ ટૂલ? ગ્રેડિયન્ટ ટૂલ. આ એક ગ્રેડિયન્ટ ટૂલ જ એવું છે જેમાં તમે એક કરતાં વધારે કલરનો યુઝ કરી શકો. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ ડ્રો સર્કલ, તો હું એક જ કલરનો યુઝ કરીશ. આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ ડ્રો રેક્ટેંગલ, તો બી હું એમાં એક જ કલર યુઝ કરીશ. પણ ગ્રેડિયન્ટ ટૂલ એવું છે જેમાં એક કરતાં વધારે યુઝ થાય કલર. Gradient tool. It is used to create smooth transition between two or more colors in an object. Clear? It is used to create smooth transition between two or more color. Two or more color. मतलब more than two color નો use કરી શકો. ખાલી એક જ ટૂલ છે. કયું ટૂલ? ગ્રેડિયન્ટ. યાદ રાખજો, ખાલી ગ્રેડિયન્ટ ટૂલ જ એક એવું ટૂલ છે જેમાં એક કરતાં વધારે કલરનો યુઝ થાય. સો યોર આન્સર ઇઝ ગ્રેડિયન્ટ. નંબર 9, ઓપ્શન ડી, gradient. Clear? Gradient tool is used to create smooth transition between two or more colors in an object. Number 10. Which of the following gradient produce simple transition in a straight line? Now gradient tool એટલે એક કરતાં વધારે કલરનો યુઝ થાય. Now gradient tool have 4 types. How many types? 4 types. Gradient ની 4 types છે. There are 4 types of it. First is linear, second is radial, third is conical, and fourth is spiral. Keep in mind, linear, second is radial, third is conical, and fourth is spiral. Clear? Linear means what? Linear name itself suggests its meaning. Linear means straight line. Linear means straight line. It produces a simple transition in a straight line. Straight line માં જે થાય તેને linear કહેવાય. મોર દેન વન કલરનો યુઝ થઈને, હા, એક કરતાં વધારે કલર હોય આમાં. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, ગ્રીન ને રેડ, એક કરતાં વધારે કલરનો યુઝ થયો એટલે એને કહેવાય ગ્રેડિયન્ટ. હવે ગ્રેડિયન્ટ ટૂલ્સના બી પોતાના 4 ટાઈપ છે. હાઉ મેની ટાઈપ્સ આર ધેર? 4 ટાઈપ્સ. ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ linear. Linear means straight line. You can see your simple transition in a straight line. Radial means what? Radial means circle. Radial means circle. Conical means cone. Conical means what? Cone. Conical. And spiral means what? It is known as spiral. Clear? Radial MCQ. Which of the following gradient produce simple transition in a straight line? Can you see the keyword? It is known as keyword. Straight line, it means linear. Straight line, it means what? Linear. Clear? Number 11. Author where and icon author. Can you see the keyword icon author? Are example of which of the following type of tool? Card based tool, icon based tool, time based tool, animation tool. Can you see the keyword icon? So your answer is icon based tool. Author where and icon author. Keep in mind this table. Author where and icon author are example of icon based tool. Clear? So your answer is icon based tool. 11 number, your answer is B, icon or event based tool. Clear? Number 12. Which of the following animation software lets you create traditional hand drawn animation? Traditional એટલે જૂનું પુરાણું, hand drawn એટલે હાથથી દોરેલું. Which software allows? Pencil, Flash, Cinefig, ને Director. તો શું આવે? Pencil. Hand drawn, keyword is hand drawn. Can you see the word? Keyword, sorry. Hand drawn, હાથથી draw કરેલું. If I want to draw circle, I can use circle tool. Which tool? Circle tool. Can you see the circle tool? If I want to draw square, then I can use this square tool. Which tool? Square tool. But I want to use pencil. I want to use pencil tool. I want to draw circle by using pencil tool. I want to draw square by using pencil tool. Then how can I create it? First of all, I have to create this line, then this line, then this, then this. Clear? It is known as pencil tool. Which tool? Pencil. So your answer is in 12 MCQ. Number 12 MCQ, your answer is A, pencil. Number 13. Which of the following are two important parameters of circle tool? Which of the following are two important parameters of circle tool? Circle tool na important parameters kya che? Circle tool. Circle tool. If I want to draw circle tool, I can do it. Circle tools have two parameters. How many parameters are there? 2 parameters. It is known as duck. This duck is in green color and it is in blue color. It is used for center and it is used for radius. Now can you tell me the answer? Which of the following are 2 important parameter of circle tool? Circle tool na important parameter kya છે? center diameter, diameter point, radius diameter, and center radius. Center radius. Your answer is D. Your answer is D. Center and radius. Clear? Center and radius. Center કયા કલરનું હોય? ગ્રીન કલરમાં હોય ને રેડિયસ બ્લુ કલરમાં હોય. કયા કલરમાં હોય? બ્લુ કલરમાં. સેન્ટરનો યુઝ શું થાય? એક પ્લેસ પરથી બીજા પ્લેસ પર લઈ જવાય. ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ મૂવ યોર ઓબ્જેક્ટ ધેન યુ હેવ ટુ યુઝ green color for center. If you want to decrease your circle size, then you have to use radius, which is in blue color. Clear? So your answer is 13 number MCQ. Your answer is D. 14. Which of the following term represent a handle used to control some parameter of the layer? Can you tell me the answer? Which of the following term represent a handle? Handle means duck. Handle means what? Duck. Handle means duck. Duck is used to control your object. Duck equals to handle. Duck equals to handle. Which of the following term represent handle used to control some parameter of the layer? If you want to control your layer, then you have to use point, tool, duck ke panel. So your answer is duck. Your answer is duck because it is known as duck. If you want to increase your circle size, if you want to decrease your circle size, then you have to use duck. Duck, it means what? ડક એટલે શું કરે? તમારી સર્કલની સાઇઝને ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરે યા તો ડિક્રીઝ કરે. એટલે એને શું કર્યું? કંટ્રોલ કર્યું. ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરવામાં, ડિક્રીઝ કરવામાં, એક પ્લેસ પરથી બીજા પ્લેસ પર લઈ જવામાં બધું કંટ્રોલ કરેલું કહેવાય. તો એ કંટ્રોલ કોણ કરે? ડક. કોણ કરે? ડક. Control some parameter of the layer. So your answer is duck. C. 15 number MCQ. The duck is used to change the position of the object. Has which of the following color? If you want to change the position of the color, so which position of the object, then which of the following color you have to use? તમારે પોઝિશન ચેન્જ કરવી છે. પોઝિશન શેનાથી ચેન્જ થાય? સેન્ટરથી. કોનાથી ચેન્જ થાય? સેન્ટરથી. સેન્ટરથી પોઝિશન ચેન્જ થાય ને રેડિયસથી શું થાય? સાઇઝ ઇન્ક્રીઝ ડિક્રીઝ થાય. સેન્ટર કયા કલરનો હોય? ઇટ ઇઝ ઇન ગ્રીન કલર ને રેડિયસ ઇઝ ઇન અ બ્લુ કલર. તો ચેન્જ ધ પોઝિશન ઓફ ધ ઓબ્જેક્ટ. પોઝિશન ચેન્જ કરવા માટે કોનો યુઝ થાય? સેન્ટરનો. સેન્ટર કયા કલરમાં હોય? ગ્રીન કલરમાં. કયું કલર? ગ્રીન. ક્લિયર? 15 number MCQ. Answer is A. Green. Number 16. The layer's visibility is controlled by which of the following operation? Layer's visibility. Visibility means what? Visible and invisible. Visible means what? You can see it. And invisible means what? You can't see it. Invisible. Visible means 1, invisible means 0. Visible means 1, invisible means 0. અહીંયા 0 હોય, અહીંયા 1 હોય. તમે અહીંયા ક્લિક કરો તો તમને કંઈ નહીં દેખાય કેનવાસમાં. બરાબર? અને તમે અહીંયા ક્લિક કરો 1 પર તો તમે જે બી ડ્રો કરશો એ કેનવાસનું બધું દેખાશે. સમજ પડી? 0 ને ક્લિક કરો તો કંઈ નહીં દેખાશે. 1 ને ક્લિક કરો તો દેખાશે. તો એને શું કહેવાય? ઓપેસિટી. શું કહેવાય? ઓપેસિટી. રીડ યોર નોટ્સ. Opacity. The layer visibility is controlled by opacity. Clear? So your answer is A. Opacity. Opacity means what? You can. Opacity matlab su? You can visible. It means what? Visible or invisible. Visible means you can see it. Invisible matlab you can't see it. તમારે જોવું હોય તો 1 ને ક્લિક કરવાનું, નહીં જોવું હોય તો 0 ક્લિક કરવાનું. એને કહેવાય opacity. Number 17. Which of the following tool allow you to enter text by creating text layer? If you want, I am drawing, I want to draw rectangle. Now I want to write my name in rectangle. Then which tool I have to use? Circle. Circle is used for circle. Draw. Draw is used for drawing. Text is used for writing, and fill is used for color. So which tool you have to use for writing? Text tool. Which tool? Text tool. Number 17, your answer is B. Text. Clear? So you have to write it, all these MCQ in your notebook. Again I am telling you, you have to write only question with direct answer. There is no need to write all these options. Clear?